Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year to you all. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make quick and easy eggless potato hash browns that are perfect for breakfast or for snacks. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. Right here I have some potatoes. I want to prepare this. I'm going to need it tomorrow in the morning. Actually, I have 2 medium-sized potatoes here, and then I have, let me say, 5 baby potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and peel them up. And yes, I'm going to get rid of the dark spots. So now that I'm done, I am going to go ahead and discard the peels, and then I'll quickly wash my potatoes and I'll be right back. Now moving on, I'm going to use my board here, and then I'm going to grab a towel to reduce the moisture in this. I'm going to try to dry them with my towel as I set them aside right here on my board. So now moving on, I have a bowl here. I'm going to use this coarse part of my grater, the larger coarse part, to grate them in to my bowl. I'm now going to season it up. This is the amount of potatoes that I got. So I have my cayenne pepper here. I'm going to go in with a 1/4 tablespoon just to give it a little heat. And then right here I have my black pepper. I'll go in with a 1/4 tablespoon again. I'm going to go in with some ginger. Let me just add a 1/4 tablespoon. I have some garlic powder here. Let me go in with a generous amount here. And then I'm going to need some salt to taste. I'm now going to go ahead and mix this up. Actually, I'm forgetting one more thing. I need some flour. Let me go in with 3 tablespoons heaped. Then I'll mix everything up together. Okay, so from here, you're going to need to go in with your hand, and then you're going to make circular, square, or whichever shape you want for this. You're going to need to wash your hands. Dry your hands and rub some oil to your hands. Yeah, and then now we are just going to make shapes out of this. Then right here I have a plate. We'll set them aside over here. Actually, before I forget, if you feel like this is a little too starchy, you can squeeze out the excess starch in it or the excess water in it. You can use a light kitchen towel that you have at home, or you can even use a sieve. I think a sieve will also work, but you'll have to do that before you season them. Now right here I have 2 pieces, and then over here I have my 4 pieces. So I'm going to freeze them overnight to make them a little more crispier. Yeah. Good morning, you guys. It's another day, and here I am. These potatoes are now frozen enough. So moving on, right here I have my pan. I'm going to give it a quick fry. And Then I'm going to go in with some avocado oil. I actually feel like maybe I should season my oil. I have right here some dry rosemary leaves. And then I'm going to go in with a little garlic. And then I'm going to go ahead and strain my oil. I'll return back my oil here. And then now I'm going to fry my potatoes on medium heat. I'm trying to scrape it so it doesn't stick on the pan. So right here, the cook is just to turn them several times until you get a perfect golden brown color that you want. Try to press on them to make sure that the inner part is also cooked. Removing the fat sand, that means that they are not ready just yet. I'm going to flip them one more time. Perhaps the skin side is looking good. Look at that. Look at that. I just feel like they're now just ready. So I'm just going to repeat the process the other ones. It's the same process. Be patient though. I don't know. So after some time, I'm now done. Our hash browns are looking really good, you guys. So from here, you can season them with a little salt, maybe black pepper or cayenne pepper. I'm going to go in with a little cayenne. Now let's get straight to the taste test. The crispiness. Crispy on the outside, a little soft in the inside, and hot. The salt is okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this quick and easy breakfast recipe, or you can have them for snacks. You can serve them whichever way you want, with some seasoning salt, black pepper or cayenne pepper. You can add in a little of coriander, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.